This Faceless YouTube channel earns significant revenue monthly by producing extremely simple horror story videos. With over 6 million subscribers, their latest videos garner approximately 1 million views each, while some particularly popular ones reach up to 30 million views. According to Social Blade, they generate up to $50,000 monthly, despite their videos primarily comprising simple images accompanied by a voiceover. This led me to ponder, can AI handle the bulk of the workload for you? In this video, I will show how you can effortlessly produce 20 storytelling videos daily using the combined capabilities of ChatGPT and Pictory. This way, you can launch your own Faceless YouTube channel and commence earning substantial income. Let's delve in and begin creating. Step 1. Create a story. Firstly, we require a captivating story. To craft this story, we will enlist the expertise of our reliable ChatGPT. Let's proceed. However, a challenge presents itself. Merely inputting the prompt, "Write a scary story," will yield a commonplace and straightforward narrative that lacks uniqueness and allure. To ensure the creation of a distinctive and gripping story, we shall employ a prompt assistant called the Perm. Here, I am utilizing an extension known as AIPRM, ChatGPT Prompts. The question arises, how can you integrate this extension with your ChatGPT? Simply search for AIPRM for ChatGPT on your preferred search engine. Click on the first link and add the extension to your browser. By creating a new account with just a few clicks, you will gain access to a plethora of prompt templates in the public section. Locate the short story generator template, which I have favorited. This template is highly proficient, enabling you to generate a short story based on your input by providing a few keywords, such as a murder mystery, scary, horror elements, a police investigation. The story will end with a huge twist. You can enhance the level of detail and uniqueness in the story. Excellent. Done. Step 2. Create a script. Our story is set, but how can we turn this script into a video? We need images and footage to bring our video to life. It's essential that the visuals complement the narrative. Otherwise, it could adversely affect our audience's experience. However, creating relevant visuals for each scene can be a time-consuming and imaginative process. Since we prefer efficiency, we'll once again utilize ChatGPT to generate image ideas and make the perfect YouTube script. By simply stating, "I want to create a storytelling video based on this story," with voiceover and stock images, ChatGPT did an excellent job for us. Our story has now been transformed into an ideal YouTube video script, complete with image and footage ideas for each scene. Now let's copy the script and paste it into a Google Docs. With that, our video script and image idea generation are complete. Step 3. Create a video. Now we will create a video using the fantastic text-to-video tool called Pictory AI. Simply click on Get Started for Free to sign up for a free trial. Upon logging in, access the Script to Video button, which serves as our script editor. Proceed to Google Docs, copy the initial voiceover segment, and paste it into the Pictory script editor. Repeat this process for all voiceover sections from Google Docs to Pictory. Once all scripts are copied, click on the Proceed button. Pictory will then generate visuals and storyboard, which may take some time. This storyboard is created by Pictory, but the footage is generated line by line, which may vary. To ensure the perfect footage selection, we will rely on ChatGPT's recommendations. Refer back to Google Docs for the suggested opening shot footage. For the opening shot, a dark and ominous image or video footage of the old Victorian mansion is required. Return to Pictory. Split the first script block and unlink the scene. Now click on Visuals here and search for appropriate dark and ominous footage of the old Victorian mansion. Select the most suitable footage for your story. Repeat this process for all scenes, as there are over 2 million stock footage options available in Pictory, which is integrated with story blocks for a wide range of footage choices. After replacing all scene footage, click on the audio button. We will now generate our voiceover using Pictory AI. If you prefer to use your own voice, you can do so. However, for now, I will utilize Pictory's voiceover feature. There is a wide variety of voice models available in different languages and accents. Choose one that suits your needs. Next, let's adjust the background music, as the right music enhances the video's impact. You can search for your preferred music here and adjust the purpose mode and genre setting to find the perfect background music for your video. I think this one is suitable for my video. Okay, our editing is finished. It's now time to export our video. To do so, simply click on the download button here. Pictory will take some time to export your video. Once ready, we can download and review our video. It was a great storytelling video entirely generated by AI. Now, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Upload the video to your YouTube channel and begin earning money through ad revenue. Who would have thought that AI could be such a powerful ally in your YouTube journey? In conclusion, by leveraging the combined power of ChatGPT and Pictory AI, you can create engaging storytelling videos and open up a realm of possibilities on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest daily knowledge. See you next time. Thanks for watching,